If you're watching this right now, it means one thing. You want more out of life. You know you're capable of more. And somewhere inside you, there is a voice whispering, I should be further than this. The truth is, you can change your entire life in the next 6 months, not by luck, not by chance, but by discipline, clarity, and consistent action. This is the 6-month discipline blueprint, and if you follow it, your life will not look the same. Month 1. Reset your mind. Your mind is your operating system. If the system is corrupted, nothing else works. You must start by cleaning out mental noise. For the next 30 days, do 3 things. Number 1. Remove distractions. Reduce social media. Mute unnecessary notifications. Cut down entertainment that adds nothing to your life. Number 2. Create mental space. Spend 10 minutes a day in silence. Think, reflect, breathe. Most people are scared of silence because silence forces you to face your truth. Number 3. Cut off negativity. Limit your time with people who drain you. Stop sharing your plans with people who don't understand your vision. Your environment shapes your mindset more than you think. This first month isn't about doing more. It's about removing what's holding you back. Month 2. Rebuild your discipline. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is identity. Most people wait to feel ready. But winners do what needs to be done whether they feel like it or not. For the next 30 days, build discipline through simple, repeatable actions. Create 3 daily non-negotiables. Number 1. Wake up at a set time. Consistency rewires your brain. You don't need to wake up early, you just need to wake up with intention. Number 2. Move your body. A 15-minute walk, a short workout, stretching, anything. Physical movement builds mental strength. Number 3. 1 hour of focused work. No distractions, no multitasking. Just 1 hour dedicated to your future. Discipline isn't built by intensity. It's built by repetition. And by the end of month 2, you will feel yourself becoming stronger. Month 3. Master your time. Your time is the most valuable currency you have. But most people spend it like it's worthless. For 1 week, track your day in 30-minute blocks. Write down what you do each hour. You will be shocked. You will see how much time disappears into scrolling, chatting, relaxing, postponing, or watching content that doesn't help you grow. To rebuild your life, you must take back control. Here's how. Eliminate low-value activities, things that waste hours but give nothing in return. Protect your mornings. Don't give your first hour to your phone, messages, or Wi-Fi. Use time blocking. Assign specific hours for work, learning, rest, and creativity. Say no more often. Every yes to nonsense is a no to your future. Mastering your time is what turns 6 months into progress that people notice. Month 4. Build a high-income skill. Your skills determine your income, not your age, not your background, not your degree. If you want financial freedom, you must learn a skill society pays for. Examples: sales content creation, copywriting, coding, video editing, digital marketing, consulting, graphic design. Pick one skill. Dedicate 1 hour a day for the next 30 days. Study it, practice it, apply it, sell it. Don't chase 10 skills. Become dangerous at one. One skill can take you from struggling to earning your first real money online to complete financial independence. This month is where your future income changes forever. Month 5. Transform your habits. Your habits decide who you become, not your dreams, not your potential. Your habits. Here are 5 habits that change everything. Habit 1. Read daily. Books expose you to ideas your environment never taught you. Habit 2. Journal. Write your goals, your fears, and your progress. Clear writing leads to clear thinking. Habit 3. Deep work. Spend at least 60 minutes a day completely focused on your craft. Habit 4. Upgrade your environment. Spend more time alone or around people who inspire you. Silence and good company both elevate you. Habit 5. Build consistency. Even on days you feel tired, do something, even if it's small. Your habits are building the next version of you. Month 6. Become the person you want to be. Now comes the most important part: identity. You can improve your habits, but your life truly changes when you upgrade your identity. You must start thinking, acting, speaking, and deciding like the future version of you. If you want to be wealthy, start thinking like someone who values money and time. If you want to be disciplined, start viewing excuses as the enemy. If you want to be successful, start treating every day like an investment in your future. Most people fail because they try to change their life while staying the same person. You must evolve. This month is about stepping into your new identity. The identity that doesn't break promises. The identity that stays focused. The identity that seeks growth, not comfort. The identity that refuses to settle. This is where the transformation becomes permanent. The truth: your life won't change in one day, but one day of discipline can change your direction. And direction is everything. 6 months from now, you can be stronger, smarter, wealthier, more focused, more proud, and more in control of your life than you've ever been. Or you can be in the exact same place. The difference is in the decisions you make today. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to push you. Your future depends on your discipline. Start today. Start now. Because your new life is waiting for you. This is Mindset to Millions. Subscribe for excellence.